Tonight on Connect News, girl crushes rock with her underneath. Yes.
Good night, and thanks for making it Connect News for your entertainment. Tonight, we'll be looking at a video that I find very disturbing. So, anyways, parents, be advised. Okay, let's take a look now. Okay, so why is she scratching? Something scratching her? Put down the block. You, put down the block. Put down. So what? Is a ritual them doing? Is this the Illuminati? Lord! Oh, the mom! Oh, the mom! Is how underneath you so tough? You not think you getting injured? Stop boofing the same thing. You can't just be doing this. Lord, what is going on in this world? My God. Anyways, thanks for making it Connect News. If you like what you see, subscribe or click the like button. And I'm reminding you, do not beat on the crutches on the stone. This is your girl, Jackie Walters, signing off.